Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Gumball. Amazing world of Gumball. Yeah. First you just draw a simple circle. Then you draw like this guideline right here. And right above the guideline, draw that, which is supposedly his chin. Then draw his two little ears. Then draw like that his neck. Then and you erase the guideline by this point, and then erase that right there. Yeah, it doesn't really look like Gumball. Let me fix that. Yep, that's better. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of to get this part right, but then here's like a little mouthpiece. Go like that, and then that. Draw his nose. Two like Y's. He always has his little tooth right there. Like that. And then tic-tacs. Draw it like a tic-tac bro. And then draw a little more tic-tac. And then draw C on top. And then down to his body. Back to his body. Draw two curves right there. Go down. Oh, dang, I messed that up. Sorry, guys. So then you go down. His body's very slender, or skinny. Slenderman. Now I know why he's called Slenderman. And then draw like that. It looks like butt. Butt. Draw like the little line between there. After that, like a circle there. And you're almost done. Now draw make that a little longer. Then draw like a mitten. Two paws. Okay, let me fix that. Longer. I think I just heard a noise. There we go. And then make him waving. So then we do the mitten. And then draw like three little stripes. Wait, no. Then to that, oh, there's one. Anyway, draw a circle there. So don't forget to draw his whiskers. Right there and right there. And that's how you draw Gumball. So don't forget to like, sub, and fave.